adventures for days. We got adventures for days.
What is happening, Etard Squad? Got Bubs' bike over here. Y'all be seeing it on the live probably yesterday. Be changing some tires out on it for him. I got a new chain that I'm going to be putting on my bike. It's tonight, so this video is actually tomorrow, but my neighbor
just don't know.
The last time I'll be riding on this chain. Figured I might go hit up a few wheelies to get some outside angles of my wheelies. So I can see how far back I'm coming. Go, you got that. Turn. Okay. It's been a good day. Finally got through all the process of getting permits done for the duplex so we can start wiring. It's been first time I see sunshine all day. Kind of nervous to get the bike out because it's been so cloudy. I see some blue skies up there. Go get our hair cut real quick so we can feel fresh. Maybe go out and bust a couple wheelies. Short second gear wheelies. I think I'm in third right now. Anybody behind me, try to bust a little third gear out through here. First wheelie of the day. Little third gear wheelie. We're getting better. Getting better at them. Pet boys. Who is the pet boys? Manny, Mo, and Jack. So yeah, I'm gonna shut the camera down. Go in here and get my hair cut real quick, and I'll be back after I do that.
2 hours later.
Well, I just got my hair cut over here at the Great Clips. I'm getting ready to go over to the school parking lot and do a little wheelie practice before it's time to go live in the 423. First gear. Neutral. First kick, baby, come on. Nope. I wasn't on the compression stroke. That was, though. See where I'm going to set up this camera at. There's still a missing picture of my puppy Lily. My little baby girl. So let's see where I'm going to set this old camera up at for these wheelies. I'm thinking set it up down here going that way. That's what I'm thinking. Thinking right here. Get my tripod out. Put my phone mount on it. Boom. Like that. Get my phone out of my pocket. Camera. Video. Put this in here. Like that. Alright, let's get some wheelies in. And that's how you come out and make some clips, peoples. Just like that. I think I got clips for my action camera. Yeah, let's get up out of here. Those little wheelies I was doing were just second gear ones. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the short ride today and the wheelie practice. It was actually making tracks that I seen his video motivate me to go out and try a few wheelies today. So thank you, Making Tracks, putting out a video about wheelie practice, because I need my practice myself. But yeah, guys, thank you for coming into my channel. If you're new, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask down in the comments, and if you have anything that any suggestions to make the channel better, please leave them down in the comments below. I read every comment. Thank you so much, guys, and until next time, peace.
Videos weekly, guys. If you like that video, hit that subscribe button.